Here are some tips on how to build good character. Be honest and truthful. Always tell the truth, even when it's difficult. Be honest with yourself and others, and be transparent in your actions. Be responsible and accountable. Take responsibility for your actions and choices. Be someone who can be relied on to do what you say you will do. Be kind and compassionate. Be considerate of others and their feelings. Be someone who is willing to help others in need. Be courageous and brave. Stand up for what you believe in, even when it's not easy. Be someone who is not afraid to take risks or try new things. Be fair and just. Treat everyone with fairness and equality, regardless of their race, religion, gender, or social status. Be forgiving and understanding. Everyone makes mistakes. Be someone who is willing to forgive others and learn from their mistakes. Be humble and modest. Don't brag about your accomplishments or put others down to make yourself look good. Be someone who is content with who you are and what you have. Be a good listener. Take the time to listen to others and understand their point of view. Be someone who is open to hearing different opinions. Be a peacemaker. Try to resolve conflicts peacefully and find solutions that work for everyone involved. Be someone who is willing to compromise. Be a role model. Be someone that others can look up to and admire. Live your life in a way that is consistent with your values and beliefs. Building good character takes time and effort, but it is worth it. When you have good character, you are more likely to be successful in life, have strong relationships, and make a positive impact on the world. Here are some additional things you can do to build good character. Set goals for yourself and work hard to achieve them. This will teach you the value of hard work and perseverance. Volunteer your time to help others. This is a great way to learn about the importance of compassion and giving back to your community. Read books and articles about character development. This can help you learn more about the qualities that make up a good person. Talk to people who you admire and respect. Ask them about their values and how they have built their character. Reflect on your own actions and choices. Consider how you can be a better person and make a positive difference in the world.